So I'm installing this anti-graffiti film on these new windows because my business gets tagged and they also scratch up the windows. So we're replacing two newer windows, and so I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to put this anti-graffiti film. I think I spent maybe under $60 for 50 feet, and it's pretty good. So I made myself a template to cut the windows out, the film to the window size, and I already cut the film. So with your template, it makes it easier, especially when you have a lot of windows to work. So I'm just putting the film on here. I've already cut the film and measuring it here. So it looks like I need to trim it a little more because I have this little gap, and we got to have a little bit of room so the water, when you put the soap in water, it has somewhere to run. So let me see. I think it'll be okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. There's about maybe a 1/16 of an inch around. So I'm just gonna cut it just a tad, and you can cut it with the scissors. It's not too bad. You just have to get a straight line. So I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. There it goes, nice and easy. Take your time. Okay, so just took the sliver off. Now set it back in here. Looks good. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So now I fitted it, so now I'm going to take the film off. I haven't separated the film with the plastic yet, so we're going to clean the window. I'm going to clean the window first. And just take soap and water, a little soap and water in a spray bottle. A little soap and water. Grab a squeegee. It just takes any kind of dirt so it doesn't get stuck underneath the film. And sometimes when they put these windows up, there's a little plastic, or where they were a little messy, like right there. You can't probably see it, but there's a little piece of plastic we're going to take off with the knife. Take a little razor blade. Let me see, there's one a little bit here. And any little bump will definitely, you'll see it when you lay the plastic down. So that's it. Take a look down below. Look down, look at here. Right there. It's a little bit here. Okay. Looks pretty good. I don't see anything else. There's no other little. Looks good, looks good. Looks good, good, good. Alright. So now what we're going to do is spray it down again. spray it down again. Then we're going to take the film, and there's a sticky side to the film. I marked it with an S, and then the clear plastic's on top. So we're going to take these two tapes here. Take a piece of tape, put it back side, front side, squeeze them together, and then you pull. And that way the paper comes off. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to spray the sticky side. Spray the sticky side. That way it's flexible, you can move it around. And what we're going to do is push that at the bottom. Now the sticky side is here. And the sticky side can go down below here. So this is the water is going to give you a little time to adjust it, move it. I'll take this part out. And then spray this because you want to be able to move it. Okay, you lay it on here now, and you can move it. There you go. Take this tape off. So now you can move it. There you go. So now we're going to start taking the bubbles, and I like to take a plastic spatula. Just run the water across. It's going to run across. I'm going to take here. Just take your time with it. You don't have to hurry. Because there's enough water so you can move it. I don't know if you can see all the water coming out. So I had 9 windows that I'm replacing at my office, and I think I got a quote for a couple $1,000, and I just thought that was a little bit too expensive. So I'm a do-it-yourselfer. That looks good. Now you want to put a little more pressure, get that water out. See how you leave the edges a little bit, maybe a 1/16 around so the water can run out. Up, down, back up. I'm just taking the water out so that way the bubbles have somewhere to go. This anti-graffiti film works because I had it on the window, and now they're tagging with acid pins. So if you get acid on your window, it's going to turn it into a sketched window, and it'll never come off. So, of course, this is not indestructible, but usually when they're tagging, they do it quick, and if they just put it on this liner here, then you can always just peel it off and put on a new one, and it's cheaper than trying to replace the glass. So this goes on the outside of your glass, and that's it. Let's see here. It's looking good. There's not really that many bubbles. And don't worry about bubbles. It'll dry out and the bubbles will go away, as long as they're not really big bubbles. There you go. That's it. Pretty much that's it. And I'll come back with the squeegee. And give it a quick little. It looks pretty good. Really no bubbles. And that's it. Protective film installed. Thank you for watching.